Good morning. Today I will show you how to edit a dictionary. For example, you want to use an open resource dictionary like MDict. You import the dictionary in MDict. However, you find you dislike the color of the font and you also want to change the color of the icon. So what could you do? First, right-click the mouse and open the original resource and you will see a lot of text. Then click edit and find .js. Then you find this text. Delete the text in front of the code. Later, search .css and you will find another text. Also do the same thing. Delete this part. Okay. Make sure you delete all of the .css and .js. Then file, save as. And name this file. Then you could find this file. And later you need to change the later part of the file txt to .html. How do you change it? I use this application Visual Studio Code and we export this file. This file folder, open folder with the document we saved before. This one, okay. And then you see this document. We change the .txt to HTML. Okay, fine. Later, we could open this file in the browser. Double click it, and you will see we open it in the browser. How do we change the color of the fonts? Right click, inspect. Okay, then you will see there a window here at the top left corner. Click this icon, then choose the text you want to change. Click it. You will see. Click the style. Find the style. Like there are some information about the text. Italic. This is font family. I want to change the color. Okay, you see. I found the color gray. I change it. For example, I change it to green. Okay, you see, I change it. Good. Dark gray. Okay. Later, I want to change this icon. This is a little bit more difficult. First, I click it. And I could say this icon is from a link. So what I should do next is to link the icon with a new picture. For example, I don't want the dark blue color. I want a orange color. So what should I do? First, click this icon, and we save it as another icon. Okay, rename it as icon orange. Okay, just icon. Okay, orange. We cut it and paste it in the same folder as the ticker. When I open it, you see it's dark blue. I want to change the color. So I use the Photoshop to change its color. Like this. I delete, I change the color. Okay, I get it. I like the orange one. So save it as icon. No. Let's find the folder. Icon orange. Okay, icon orange. PNG. Yes. So now we have a orange icon picture in a PNG format. So next, I want to link this picture to my CSS file. What should I do? Okay, also in this application, Visual Studio Code, I found my CSS file, and I will find where is the link. Okay, you see background image, the link. This is the dark blue picture. I dislike it. I want to change it to my blue icon. Okay, first choose the orange text, delete it, then use the quotation mark. Then what is the text I should insert? Okay, since the icon picture and the CSS file is in the same folder, I just type the name of the picture. Do you remember the name? Yes, it's icon orange. Thus, the CSS file will have a link with the picture. You see, if we control click it, why is it? No? So strange. I'm going to open. Let me see. Icon orange. Oh, okay, you see, I forgot E. Okay, yeah, it works now. Click, control click. Oh, why is it? Icon orange. Oh, yes, I forgot. Dot PNG. I forgot the later part. Dot PNG. Okay, I hope it works. Yes, done it. Done. Good job. Thus, now we have a very good CSS file. Okay, let's save it. Save as. Okay, I will cover the original CSS file. Yes. Okay. I think I have done well the job. So what I do next is to check if I succeed or not. Open the mdict and I delete the formal dictionary and insert the new CSS file. Because the CSS file is in the same folder of the dictionary, I just find the folder. This folder, it has the modified CSS file. Okay. Yes. Done it. Check again. And you see this icon is orange. It becomes orange. But why the okay. Okay. But I and also change change like the text. Okay. Do you know why the text are still gray rather than red? You say I changed the text in the browser, but I didn't save this file. Okay, so I know the reason. Okay, I will just do it in the Visual Studio Code. It's also the same as the browse, so don't worry about that. I just let me say, okay, HTML, this file, then no. Let me say. Okay, I will show preview. Okay, and if you don't have this icon show preview, you just search your toolbox extension and search preview, and to download some extensions you want, and you will have this this icon preview. Okay, let's get back to the file. Show preview, you say it is the same as it is in the browser, but now I'm working in the Visual Studio Code platform. Let me see. I want to change the color of the fonts. So, okay. Click the icon on the right top corner. Open DevTools panel. Okay, and you see this icon selects a element like this. This, okay. The same. Let me see style and find the color. Okay, you say color style color. I want to change to another color, red. Yes, good. Then I've done it. I need to save this CSS file. So where is the CSS file? Source, you say. If you couldn't find the CSS directly, just press F8 P, no, Control P, yes, Control P and search c.css, and you will find this one. Try it again. For example, you don't know where is the CSS file. Control P dot CSS. This one. Where is it? Where is it? Control P dot CSS. Yeah, this file. This file. Empty. Okay, so strange. First, I click this one. Now we are just in the source window. Control P dot CSS. This one. Yes, and you find it. And now you save as to cover the original CSS file. Okay. Yes. And now let's test if we succeed or not. Open the mdet. Delete the original direction and insert the new dictionary with the CSS file. Okay. Finish. Let me see. Okay, you see, we change the color of the text, and we also change the icon from a dark blue one to a orange one. What we use is this platform. This platform, Visual Studio Code. The most difficult part is that to change the icon. So you need to a new icon picture, and you also need to link this icon with the CSS file. Use the command. What is the command? Let's have a simple review. Yes, use this command, background image URL. Don't forget the quotation mark and the name with the later part PNG. This is the file name of the picture. You have to make sure the picture is in the same folder with your CSS file. And after that, you will get it. I have to thanks to DeepSeek, because when I face some problem, I asked DeepSeek, and it gave me a final solution, and I could get what I want. Thank you.